Good evening, one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome in our midst His Lordship Justice S.V. Gangapurwala, Acting Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. May I request our President Mr. Nitin Thakkar to address our members and welcome His Lordship in our midst.
Sri Justice Sanjay V. Gangapurwala, the Acting Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Mr. Vishal Kanade, Secretary, Bombay Bar Association, past Presidents of Bombay Bar Association, Senior Advocates, members of Standing Committee of Bombay Bar Association, other members of the Association, ladies and gentlemen. We have gathered today on a very happy occasion. Justice Gangapurwala has been appointed as the Acting Chief Justice of our prestigious High Court. On behalf of myself and Bombay Bar Association, I extend a very warm welcome to the learned Acting Chief Justice and express our gratitude for having accepted felicitations from Bombay Bar Association. His Lordship was born on 24th May 1962 in the family of lawyers. His father was a very reputed lawyer. His Lordship studied at Holy Cross Convent School and obtained his graduation in Commerce from Saraswati Bhuvan College at Aurangabad. The brilliant academic career culminated in his Lordship finishing LLB at the third rank in Marathwada University, now known as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University. On 15 July 85, his Lordship was enrolled as an advocate on the rolls of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. His Lordship joined the chambers of late Sri S.N. Loya, whose chambers have given so many judges to this honorable court, of which at least 3 or 4 have become Chief Justice. As a lawyer, His Lordship practiced at Trial Court, District Court and DRT as well as High Court. His Lordship represented various financial institutions, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University, and the Honorable Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Before Mane Commission appointed to inquire and fix responsibility with regard to lathi charge and use of force by police, His Lordship represented the government of Maharashtra. Whatever he learned, he wanted to give back to the student community. And with this noble thought, from 1991, His Lordship taught as honorary part-time lecturer in MP Law College till his elevation as a judge of our court, which happened on 12th March 2010. His Lordship is a very keen sportsman. He has played tennis at national level by representing Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University 6 times and captained twice in All India University tournament. With his height, His Lordship is an ideal basketball player, making him a state level player. His Lordship is a great advocate for alternate dispute resolution process. His Lordship is Patron-in-Chief, cum Executive Chairman of Legal Services Authority of Maharashtra State in Daman, Diu and Silvassa. His Lordship convened regional mediation conference at Nagpur as recently as on 10th of this month. We assume that His Lordship is sitting beyond court hours only recently after coming to Bombay, but that is not true. His Lordship has been sitting at Aurangabad beyond court hours for last over more than 8 years. During his tenure, His Lordship has dealt with matters on various subjects and disposed of large number of cases. His Lordship is appointed as the Acting Chief Justice of Bombay High Court on 12th of December. We congratulate your Lordship on your appointment as the Acting Chief Justice and wish that this is a stepping stone for 2 further appointments as a Chief Justice and as a Judge of Supreme Court of India. On behalf of all the members of Bombay Bar Association, I wish your Lordship a very happy and healthy tenure.
Thank you, Mr. Thakkar. May I request one of our members, Mr. Swanand Ganu, to present his Lordship with a small token of our affection. May I now request His Lordship to kindly come to the dais and address our members, please.
Mr. Thakkar, the President of the Association, Mr. Kane, the Secretary, the learned senior advocates present here, the members of the bar. Actually, I was told that it is an informal function. Because according to me, speaking on such occasions is more difficult than delivering judgments and passing orders. At the outset, I thank everyone for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to be present in this bar, which is one of the oldest bars in the country. This bar can boast of producing Chief Justice of India, the Attorney General, the Solicitor General, the senior advocates and legal luminaries who have contributed immensely to this institution. I do not think any other bar can boast of such legal luminaries being produced. Even if I would not have been invited, I would have come to this bar tomorrow. I do not know the practice here, but in Aurangabad, last working day before vacation, we always visit the bar and sit at the table and chair we normally used to sit when we were advocates and have tea with all the lawyers. I think the same practice should be started here also. Well, I assure that whatever cooperation is needed from me, that would always be available. In fact, I always say that I was born in the district court bar and brought up with the high court bar. The district court was a bread for me, high court was butter, and TRT was cheese for me. Because till a week before my elevation, I had cross-examined in the trial court. So I am basically a trial court lawyer, which subsequently not totally migrated. I did not lose my trial court practice, but then started practicing the high court also. It is the bar that maketh the lawyer. The bar has taught me the gnosis of the law. It is the seniors at the bar who have taught me the professional ethics and the gnosis of law. I can never forget the contribution of the bar to me. It is said that advocates judge the judges. Today, I am here before the audience who would judge me. So, I wish all the best to everybody. I wish Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. May I take this opportunity to sincerely thank His Lordship for having accepted our invitation and sparing his valuable time from his busy schedule. I would also like to thank all our members for being present here in such large numbers, which is nothing but a testimony to the popularity of His Lordship. This concludes our function. Please join us for tea and snacks.